Are you struggling with high CPCs and fierce competition in Google Ads? Here comes TrafficBotPro, a traffic bot and website automation tool. In this video, we'll explore how marketers use it to simulate real user behavior, auto-click on competitors' AdWords, and attempt to avoid detection. Let's dive in. Create device profiles first. Click Auto Create and set up the percentage of each device you want to create. Then import your proxies. This allows for automated, large-scale operations with randomized behavior, improving stealth and mimicking natural traffic patterns. Next, create a task. Take Google as an example. For AdWords clicks, we'd better use the real mouse option. Add keywords. If we want to match AdWords, we need to select Yes here. Max page refers to the maximum number of search pages for the keyword. For matching AdWords, usually we only set 1 or 2. After that, we can add several target URLs. The format will be like adomin.com, adomin2.com, adomin3.com. The software will click the first URL it finds. To make the interaction look even more human and avoid detection, TrafficBotPro allows us to define a series of custom operations after clicking on an ad. We can set custom operations on the landing page, like auto-click, input, etc. Here is an example. We can set a real mouse random click. Do not forget to set some sleep time after the click action as well. Thread max here means the maximum number of windows open for this task. Then we can turn on random browser point in settings. In this way, each open window will not overlap. Select the task and click Schedule. We can set the total number of times the task will run. That's how TrafficBotPro operates and the techniques it uses to bypass detection. If you found this video insightful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.